Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 110-15 IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue where users find that their Lenovo IdeaPad 110-15 IKB isn't responding when attempting to extract the hard drive. This problem can occur due to a variety of reasons, including faulty connections or a malfunctioning hard drive. If left unattended, it could lead to further complications, such as data loss or even complete device failure, so it's essential to tackle this issue as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning your device upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, take the plastic opening tool and gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force as you could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the hard drive. It is usually housed in a metal bracket secured with screws. Remove these screws carefully, making sure to remember their placement. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently disconnect the hard drive from the SATA connector. It might require a little wiggling to release it, so take your time to avoid damaging the connector. Once disconnected, you can lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing it with a new one, simply reverse this process. Insert the new hard drive into the SATA connector and ensure it's securely in place before reattaching the screws to hold it in the bracket. After that, carefully place the back panel on the laptop and reinsert the screws you previously removed. It's important to ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this could cause damage. Finally, power on your device to check that the hard drive is recognized and functioning correctly. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the hard drive. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly back up your data and monitor your hard drive's health using diagnostic tools. This can alert you to potential failures before they happen. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.